Neptune is the farthest planet in the solar system. Due to this, it has always been quite mysterious to us. But by the JWST, NASA got some stunning images of Neptune that opened a new way in space research. Infrared Webb Space Telescope Observations tease out details of the atmosphere and a ring of Neptune that were never seen before. So what are those images of Neptune captured by Webb? What unknown things can we know from them? Keep watching to know more. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we'll show some ghostly images of Neptune captured by Webb and explain them. Please watch our entire video and remember to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any exciting future updates. Without further ado, let's begin. The planet's rings are visible in Webb's near-infrared camera or NIRCam photograph of Neptune, which was acquired on July 12, 2022 for the first time in more than 3 decades. The bright spots in the southern hemisphere of the planet, which are high-altitude methane ice clouds, are the most noticeable aspects of Neptune's atmosphere in this view. A more discrete visual indicator of the worldwide atmospheric circulation that fuels Neptune's winds and storms might be a narrow line of light ringing the planet's equator. Additionally, Webb has shown a continuous belt of high-latitude clouds around a previously recognized vortex near Neptune's southern pole for the first time. Neptune lies in one of the darkest regions of our solar system, 2.8 billion miles or 4.5 billion kilometers from the Sun on average. With its strange moon Triton, intricate rings and raging winds that travel faster than the speed of sound on Earth, Neptune has long baffled astronomers. Only one spacecraft, Voyager 2, has ever made a close approach to this distant planet, and throughout the years, observations from both space and ground-based telescopes have monitored the numerous tumultuous storms. With its first view of this ice giant, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope is now providing us with a long-awaited glimpse of its sharp rings and revealing more information about its enigmatic storms. Compared to Jupiter and Saturn, the ice giant Neptune has an interior that's significantly richer in substances like methane, which are heavier than hydrogen and helium. Methane looks blue in visible wavelengths. However, that's not the case in the near-infrared as shown in Webb's photograph. Except for regions with high-altitude clouds, the planet is relatively black at near-infrared wavelengths due to the substantial absorption of red and infrared light by methane. In Webb's photograph, these methane ice clouds stand out as brilliant streaks and patches that reflect sunlight before it's absorbed by methane gas. One of Neptune's moons, Triton, is seen to the top left of the planet and has its recognizable 8 diffraction spikes. 6 more of Neptune's 14 known moons were also recorded by Webb, along with a few far-off galaxies that appear as faint splotches and a nearby star. In addition to getting the best glimpse of the planet's rings in more than 30 years, Webb's cameras have also shed fresh light on the ice giant. The clean, clear perspective of the planet's rings is what stands out most in Webb's latest photograph. Since NASA's Voyager 2 became the first spacecraft to survey Neptune during its visit in 1989, several of these rings haven't even been seen. The Webb image precisely depicts Neptune's fainter dust bands in addition to many brilliant thin rings. These incredible faint rings could only be seen this close to Neptune thanks to Webb's exceptionally steady and accurate image quality. It is believed that Triton, which circles Neptune in a reverse direction, was formerly a Kuiper belt object that was gravitationally caught by Neptune. Earth is 30 times closer to the Sun than Neptune is. Neptune would be the size of a basketball if Earth were the size of a nickel. A barred spiral galaxy that hasn't been thoroughly studied before might be around 1 billion light-years distant. Because Webb uses the observatory's near-infrared camera or NIRCam, which captures pictures of objects in the near-infrared spectrum between 0.6 and 5 microns, Neptune doesn't seem blue to it. In reality, the planet is fairly black at these near-infrared wavelengths due to the substantial absorption of red and infrared light by methane gas, except areas with high-altitude clouds. These brilliant streaks and patches of methane ice clouds are noticeable because they reflect sunlight before it's absorbed by methane gas. Images taken throughout the years by other observatories, such as the Hubble Space Telescope and the Keck Observatory, has preserved these fast-changing cloud structures. Webb's perspective reveals a well-known vortex around the southern pole, but for the first time, it is surrounded by a continuous band of high-altitude clouds. A more subtle visual indicator of the global atmospheric circulation that fuels Neptune's winds and storms might be a faint band of light ringing the equator. Triton reflects around 70% of the sunlight that it receives thanks to a frozen coating of condensed nitrogen covering it. Because methane absorbs at these near-infrared wavelengths, It outshines Neptune by a significant margin in Webb's photograph. Triton's peculiar retrograde orbit around Neptune has led scientists to hypothesize that this moon was once a Kuiper-Belt object that was gravitationally grabbed by Neptune. In the upcoming year, further Webb observations of Triton and Neptune are anticipated. So that's it for the day. Let's know your thoughts in the comment section. And don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for more such exciting content. See you in the next video.